Greetings, coding heroes. Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and welcome to the 32nd episode of our interesting JavaScript series. Today, we are unrevealing the mystical powers of inner HTML. These spells allow us to dynamically manipulate HTML content and bring our web pages to life. So, grab your coding vents and let the magic unfold, and let's unleash the inner HTML magic. So, the interesting power of inner HTML in our coding journey, there's a spell that can transform the very enhance of our HTML is inner HTML. It's like welding up magic pen, allowing us to inscribe, modifying, and adjusting our web pages dynamically. So, spellbinding examples. Let's dive into the enchanted forest of examples to witness the magic of inner HTML. We will start our configuring and modifying elements on our mystical web page. So here we have HTML structure and style for them, and here we have a script for your web pages. So let's make HTML file, and in the HTML we will copy this HTML contents. So here we have HTML. I hope you are getting this. So here we have this body. In the body we have this button with the ID name change content button, and we have this div with ID name content container, and here we have script. So here we will make this script file also, and in the script file we will copy the JavaScript content. Here we have first we have this ID. We will select them. So here we have a event listener for them. We are adding a event listener for DOM content loaded. So if the DOM content loaded, this function will occur. So here we have this const function change content button. Here we are selecting the item by their ID. So we are using get element by their ID. So here we have change content button and content container. Both we are selecting from using get element by ID. Here you can see here we have these two elements. First is button and second we have div. And here we have change content button dot add event listener. On the button we will add a event listener using click. So on the mouse click this function will execute, and in the function we have a inner HTML. This inner HTML will change. So we using a strong tag. A strong tag is for bold this element. So update, first we will see this update will show, and then we will see content magically appear. This will change to this content. So here we have this change content. So this content will change to this updated and contain magically appear. So let's see how this magic occur. You can see here we have this button and original content will appear here. So if I click this, so you can see update content magically appear. So I hope you are getting this. If I reload, then function will occur automatically again. So if I click this, so update content magically appear. So how this is happening, I hope you are getting this. So first you can see here we have this document dot event listener. This function will execute whenever DOM content is loaded. So if I load this, so this whole function is occurring. So in this function we have this change content button, which I selected using this button change content button with using get element by ID. So this on this button we added this add event listener. On event listener click, this function will execute, and this what this function is containing, this content creator content container inner HTML will updated with this double quoted string. So in this we have this strong tag. First we have this strong tag for bolding this updated version, and here we have content magically appear. I hope you are getting this. So let's see again. If I click this, so this will update. You can see if I load this, the function is again. So let's move to the next. So ingesting HTML dynamics, witness the magic as we use the inner HTML spell to dynamically modifying our HTML content. Clicking the button invokes the spell, transforming the original content into a new ingested form. So using inner HTML wisely, while the inner HTML spell is powerful, it's essential to use it wisely. Always ensure that the content you are ingesting in the syntax to prevent any united consistence. Let's explore this responsible magic in our examples. So that concludes our exploration the magically inner HTML spell. Whatever you are conferring on the elements or transforming existing ones, inner HTML is your key to dynamic HTML adjustment. If you are found this video spellbinding, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. In our next episode, we will continue our journey through JavaScript, uncovering more secrets and mastering the art of web adjustment. Until then, may your code be adjusting and your HTML will be dynamic and happy coding.